Hello, it's Mrs.Z. This is grade 5, mission 6, lesson 3. Lesson 3 word problem. The captain of a ship has a chart to help him navigate through the islands. He must follow points that show the deepest part of the channel. List the coordinate the captain needs to follow in order he will encounter them. So what that means, he needs to follow coordinates in order that he encounter them. If you don't know this vocabulary word, it comes which points, coordinate points he will um, go along to leave this island. All right. So this is a picture, and here's the ship. Okay, so when you look, encounter first, in order to go this way, he needs to go to this point first. So we need to know and help him to get to that coordinate first. Right? So we will go and see that if this is point, we go first to x-axis, which is in this case 5. Then we're gonna go and look for y-axis. If we don't know, our ruler always can help us. So if I go and follow my ruler, it's going to be right in this spot right here. So that's not origin, then 1, then 2. It's in between 1 and 2. So my point is here 1 and 1/2 right there. So right now I know my coordinates. X is 5 and y is 1.5. So I'm going to put that there. So the first point encountered, they need to navigate to 5x, 1 and 1/2 y. And then the ship gonna come to there. Okay. The next point is, I can kind of like connect those. Next would be this one. So I'm going to go and find what x-axis is. And x-axis is in between 3 and 4. So it has to be 3 and 1/2. And then I'm going to go to see what y is. And y is 3. So this point is x is 3.5 and y is 3. So after this point, they navigate to the x 3.5 and 3. Then after that, it's going to be next point, and that point is x is 2 and y is in between 4 and 5. So 4.5. 4.5. So the coordinates are 2x 4.5. Another way we can see it as this to be half is a 0.5 or 5/10. So we can see this as a 2 and 4.5 in the case we need a decimal in our points to label them as a decimal. Okay, next is encounter is this. I'm gonna go all the way with my ruler. I'm gonna make down line from the point, and that is 4. So x is 4 and y is 6. Good. Next is going to be this point. So I go down straight, it will be in between 5 and 6, so it's 5.5. X is 5.5, and Y is, let's see, it looks like 7.5, in between 7 and 8, so must be 7.5. So 7.5. The last encountering point, and then they will be free to go in open sea, is this one here. And then if we go down to x-axis, x-axis is in between 7 and 8, so it's 7.5. So here's 7.5, and then y-axis is 9, right? So that is 9. So we have all the coordinates that ship needs to navigate to go around the island to get out in the open sea. All right, now when we do this, we're gonna go and it's very important that to make precision, do this on the coordinate grid and then move up and label it in these spaces. So I'm gonna make it smaller now. So I think this one is good. All right, so the first point is 5x and 1.5. We can see that 5 and 1.5. Then number 2 is 3.5. 3. Number, that's 1, 2, 3. Number 3 is x is 2, y is 4.5. Point 4 is 4 and 6. X is 4, y is 6. Number 5 is 5.5 and 7.5. And number 6 is 7.5 and 9. So we have all coordinates that we needed to for the ship to navigate safely. All right, I hope that you understand that and that you are able to do the same. Okay, it's Mrs.Z. Thank you for listening. Love you.